Welcome to CS Tutorial, where you'll be guided and supported on your learning journey by me, Zia, your trusted companion. Join us on Revolutionizing Education, how to use AI-powered virtual assistants in the classroom. Students may think that learning can be challenging and they may need some extra support. That's why incorporating AI-powered virtual assistants into the classroom can be a game changer. In this tutorial, we will show you how virtual assistants can be used to support student learning in many ways, from answering questions to providing personalized feedbacks and even creating custom learning plans. First, virtual assistants can be used to answer our questions in real time. This can help us understand concepts better and reduce the workload on teachers. To ensure that we are not just getting direct answers, the virtual assistant is equipped with a restrict mode that only provides help to guide us to the answers rather than giving us the answers directly. Second, virtual assistants can be used to create personalized learning plans for us based on our learning needs and progress. This can help us focus on the areas where we need to improve and allow us to learn at our own pace. Third, virtual assistants can generate reports and analytics that can help our teachers understand how we are performing and where we may need additional support. This can help our teachers tailor their teaching methods to suit our needs better. By incorporating virtual assistants into the classroom, we can enhance our learning experience, improve efficiency, and get the extra support we need to succeed. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to incorporate AI-powered virtual assistants into your classroom from a student learning perspective. We hope you find it helpful in revolutionizing your education.